What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Case 23 back with a vid. I'm about to do a tutorial on how to put holes in your Fresh Prince 5s. I already did it on the left foot already. Shit, as you can see, I already did it on the left foot. Came out perfect. You don't need to pay nobody you don't need to pay anybody to do this. Like, you could just do this shit yourself. It's that fucking easy. And then I'm put y'all on game as far as on how to keep these from yellowing. Put y'all on game. So I'm gonna change the view up so I can show y'all like the process and everything. Just finished them both, as you can see. So now you got all that little space. I did the little bottom half of the tongue too. Yeah, my fault. Part of the footage had got deleted, so it's not showing me actually cutting the threads out, but pretty much you just do like what I'm doing here. You peel it back, use the seam ripper, and you just cut the threads. Like, you'll see them, and it's real simple. You know what I'm saying? So my fault on that part, but yeah, part of my footage got deleted. But continue on with the rest of everything. Yeah, I just finished the shoe and stuff. I'm just clipping off the little threads. Real simple. Just get the little toenail clipper and just pick at the threads and just cut them down. Real simple shit. So now I'm about to show you how to poke the holes in these joints. So you're gonna need your tool. Now with the tool, there's different ones. When you first get the tool, I'm gonna show you how it comes. Okay, when you first get the tool, it should come like this. You have your smallest one, your second, third, fourth, so on and so forth. All you want to do is get this to the middle. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Is it the middle or the end? Once you get that same small one to the middle, you're ready to go. This is the one you need. So that small one should be in the middle. These are the only two you're gonna use. You're gonna use this big one here for the bigger holes at the top. Then you're gonna want to use this one here for the smaller holes at the bottom. Real easy. A baby should be able to do this shit. All you're gonna do is line this up with the existing holes that's there. And what you're gonna do is clamp down. Now normally it should be 2 clamps that you hear, but it went through. If you get this to the point where it's like, oh shit, all you gotta do is just get the seam ripper and just poke the rest of the leather through. But in this case, it didn't punch it all the way. So we're gonna do it again. So you just go back to the hole. There you go. And then you should get that snap. The thread you shouldn't have to take the thread out because it's gonna be in the thing here. And then you can just like flick it, it'll come out. So that's pretty much how you do it. It's real simple. Just put it where the hole needs to be, so y'all can hold on, make sure y'all see that. See that hole right there? Put it right there. And you just clamp that shit. My grip, there you go. My grip keep fucking coming off and shit. Hold on. As you can see, I already did the first 2 holes. So you pretty much get the idea. So yeah, so now I'm about to show you how to get the little middle hole and the end hole. I'm gonna start off with the middle one because it's the easiest. And you're gonna need a pen. But before you use your pen, you wanna line it up with the top holes. That's what you wanna line it up with the top ones. Not the bottom, but the top ones. This is the hole, you wanna line it up here, like right in the middle. So let me do it real quick. So as you can see, I kinda eyeballed it. So now you do the same thing. You just get the joint and just center it. There you go. Now you got that hole right in the middle. Now, I'm gonna show you how to do the same thing here. You just wanna do the same thing, just line it up with the top ones. So let me see. Bam. And let's do this the same way. There you go. You just push the remaining thing through. Now that we got this one, and now that we got this hole, I'm gonna show you how to do the top one. Real simple. So like I said, remember you had this, let me slide this back on. Remember I said the small one in the middle, and this is the one we were using for the smaller holes. For the top one, you wanna use the bigger one, which is right next to it. So this should be in this place for the top. So for this one's the same shit. You just line it up. Bam. Just line it up in the middle. And I'll show you how to take these, punch through. Same thing. You want to get this, push the little thing through all the holes. This one I don't have to do. On this side, so you don't mess up the threading, the bottom one was cut perfectly. Instead of just pulling it off, you just seam rip it off, pretty much. So you pull it and seam rip it. Or you could pull it off, don't matter, whichever one do. But for a neater, if it's like stuck like this one, don't rip it off so it don't have no fray. That's it. You're almost done. There's only one more step. Now, this is an optional step. If you want to do this, you can. If you don't have to. For me, I always go a size down in my fives, because to me, I think fives run a little bit bigger. I have that more room in there. My problem is that because of how this shoe is sewn together, it's like this is like more so sewn down thicker by these little white things here, straps. They're not as stretchy. It's because it's trying to lock your foot in, and I get it like it's too much of a snug fit. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut these. If you want to do this, you don't have to. Real simple, you just cut it. 3. This is a real easy custom to do. Don't pay $75 to do this. If you can do this, if you're not afraid to do this yourself. It's real easy to do. Fuck Jordan Brand, bro. They could have been, they should just put some damn laces in these shits. Comment, subscribe. I will be back with more content, and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, I did say I was gonna put y'all on game. Get you one of these, man. This is like the clear vinyl wraps to keep your soles icy. Highly recommend it. This is like a 6-inch 96. It's just a long ass row. You just put your shoe there, put your shoe on and shit. Pretty much. I have a bigger foot, but trace it, and you know what I'm saying. I'll probably do a tutorial, maybe not, because there's so many videos. If you want to know, just look up DIY sole protectors. There's plenty of videos on how to do it. It'll show you how to do it. So it's your boy Big Cakes 23 signing off. And yeah, Merry Christmas to all. I told y'all I was gonna come out with a bang for this year. So yeah, we out of this motherfucker. Peace.